Hey guys, Sunny Day is here. We have actually on the way to Dabbaguli right now. We've just stopped for breakfast in this hotel. Just see, there is no name, there's no board. It's a nameless hotel, but the idlis, the hot tatti idlis that you get here is amazing. Chutney was a little spicy. Fantastic combination for an early morning breakfast. We left our homes at around 6:30. We're on the way. We've come, I think 50 kilometers. I think we're like 10 kilometers behind Kodihalli right now. And after Kodihalli, another 25 kilometers, we'll be reaching Dabbaguli. Okay guys, here we have reached Dabbaguli, a scenic masterpiece, no words, scenically very beautiful. As you can see behind me, pure flowing Kaveri water, a lush greenery behind it, and we have a little bit of crowd, but actually I do want to address few things about this place. Firstly, if you're coming alone, please don't. If you're a solo rider, please don't, because the off-roads are a little crazy and it is quite tough. Like obbrigibbre tumba help agutte. Like there needs to be a gang, there needs to be a group of riders to help each other out during the tough trials of off-road. And apart from that, the scenic beauty of the route is excellent, really worth it. The ride is splendid until the off-road, and if you want to indulge in some water, it's amazing. And there are a few more things, like I think this is a place where everybody gives the toddlers hair. There's a temple over here, so they offer the hair to God. Mudi kodtarele, mundan, they do mundan. So you can see hair lying everywhere, broken bottles of beer, rotten food. So a few places are really like stenching, like it has a bad stench. But if you once you clear those things and ignore that, and on the ground you can see everywhere there's animal droppings. This is wildlife, guys, so we have to be prepared for these things. There is animal droppings literally everywhere, and the sun is too hot, it's overbearing. Maybe I came during the wrong time, I don't know, but the ride is worth it. Please be careful during the off-roads. Enjoy yourself. You have to leave before like 4 o'clock. I think 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock is the cutoff time. But yeah, you will be well off before that itself, because the off-road itself takes a lot of time just to get over the check post. So yeah, it's a fun ride, it's a fun journey, it's a fun experience, one of a kind experience.
Dabbaguli is located 110 kilometers from Bangalore, and the 99% of the route is in Karnataka and the last 1% is in Tamil Nadu. The last 10 to 15 kilometers are unpaved roads and are strictly for off-road adventurers. There is no eatery or water available in the forest area, so it is advised that you probably have your breakfast carried with you, probably like a planned picnic, or have your breakfast in Kodihalli. It is also advised to be wary of wild elephants there, and the general public would not have been allowed to Dabbaguli if not for the Basaveshwara temple on the banks of Kaveri river, so please do pay a visit there as well. Last but not the least, be careful and please be advised not to litter in the place to maintain the sanctity. Enjoy the rest of the vlog.